Right now at 4 o'clock, an unprecedented trial is underway in Delaware. Jury selection started today in Hunter Biden's federal gun case, making him the first child of a sitting president to face a criminal trial. It is Monday afternoon. I'm Sarah Bloomquist.
And I'm Brian Taft. The big story on Action News today is day one of Hunter Biden's gun trial. He pleaded not guilty to the charges back in September after that plea deal fell through. Hunter stands accused of lying about his drug use back in 2018 when he filled out a form to purchase a firearm.
Action News reporter Chad Perdelli live now outside the courthouse in Wilmington with an update on where things stand day one, Chad, of this historic trial.
Yeah, Sarah, day one, you have jury selection, so there were few fireworks, but this defendant is Hunter Biden, the son of a sitting president, and this case is certainly gathering international attention. Hunter Biden walked into the federal courthouse in Wilmington accompanied by his wife, followed by First Lady Jill Biden. Inside, they listened as prosecutors and defense attorneys questioned potential jurors about their views on guns, addiction, and whether they could be fair and impartial. The president's son is facing 3 felony charges related to making false statements about his drug addiction when he applied to purchase a firearm in 2018.
These cases are tough in that form is there. It was filled out. It's not going to change. And the answers are what they are.
High-profile defense attorney William Brennan says he expects the trial to last a week. If convicted, Hunter Biden could potentially be sentenced to 25 years behind bars, but that's unlikely.
The defense, from what I've read, just from the cheap seats, is going to be kind of a hybrid of, well, at the time the form was filled out, there was no drug use. And I think there's going to also be a constitutional argument raised under the Second Amendment, the right to bear arms.
Biden had negotiated a plea deal with prosecutors last year that would have had him plead guilty to tax charges he's also facing and have the gun charge withdrawn. Brennan says it also had an immunity provision that raised questions, and the judge rejected the plea deal.
It was this immunity issue that really blew it up.
And in a statement to ABC News, the president said he had boundless love for his son, confidence in him, and respect for his strength. Opening statements likely to begin tomorrow. Live in Wilmington, Chad Perdelli, Channel 6 Action News. Sarah?
Chad, thank you.